intelligence is the major part, जो कि आपका machine learning and deep learning is the sub parts in it. So whenever we go into the details of anything, that is your deep learning, much details. Artificial intelligence cover up the broader spectrum. Machine learning cover up a subset of your artificial intelligence, and the subset of your machine learning is deep learning. Very important slide this is. So you can see what is written here. Artificial intelligence, any technique that enables computer to mimic human intelligence. I was telling that artificial intelligence, it enables computer to mimic human intelligence using logic, if then rule, decision tree, and machine learning. Now what is a machine learning in that? A subset of artificial intelligence that includes abstruse statistical technique that enable machine to improve at a task with experience. मतलब experience से जैसे ही तुम task को improve करते हैं, ये तुम्हारा machine learning है. Now this category includes deep learning. Now what is a deep learning? The subset of machine learning composed of algorithm. Whenever we are talking in details regarding an algorithm, now that permits software to train itself to perform tasks. Whenever we are talking regarding a software that will enable it to perform any task by itself, such that we are developing an algorithms which will improve the self-learning capability. That is called your deep learning. So the major difference between your machine learning, and deep learning is that the deep learning will learn as with experience, but it will train itself without the interfere of the human being. Whereas in machine learning, what is there? It will learn from the experience, but it does not have an algorithm which will train itself. Okay, so whenever we are talking about neural networks, convolution neural network, it will come under your deep learning rather than in your machine learning. So if you see artificial intelligence, major part in that the subset is machine learning, and deep learning, the subset of machine learning. Fine. Now the first topic as per your syllabus is that what is a classic and adaptive machines. What are classic and adaptive machine? So you can see whenever we have an ordinary system with artificial intelligence and then the machine learning, it will predict itself and it will improve the learning technique. Now what is a classic? Classic मतलब जो regular चल रहा है उसी हिसाब से चलता है and it will get a particular output. And adaptive technique means that it will go on adapting. For example, if you see, if you have some machine that is going to experience, that is going to learn from its experience, then it is adapting itself. Whenever it is adapting itself, then it is called as a adaptive machine learning. Now, if you see, if you have a data set, if you read this paragraph, that we have a data set that contains picture of different kind of fruits, and we want machine learning to segregate the photo based on kinds of fruit. So what we are going to do to machine learning, we are going to provide some data set. From that data set, as it is a fruit, it is going to classify itself based on the size, shape, color, etc. Isn't it? Then it will find out what type of fruit it is, and it will check whether the particular answer that it has obtained is correct or not. That means all the apples, it has collected an information, and whenever you get an apple image in front of that particular algorithm, it will detect it as an apple. So this is how it is going to check out that there will be an algorithm working which will let you know that this is an apple. But by mistake, let us say that instead of apple, it has predicted it as a pear. Then what it is going to do, it is going to learn from its experience, and it will keep a record that whenever it has calculated something, it has obtained a wrong result. Instead of apple, it has got a pear. So again, it will go and cross verify, and it will learn from the experience. Now, when I'm talking regarding your deep learning, you can see machine learning will require good hardware and lots of data. There will be huge amount of data that will be required for a machine learning. And also, as you have lots of data, then what will happen? अगर बहुत सारा data रहेगा तो उसको store करने के लिए naturally हमको hardware बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, isn't it? You'll need a very good hardware for it. So whenever we are talking regarding machine learning, we will not require good hardware nor lots of data, because it is not going to store the data. Whereas when you talk regarding deep learning will require lots of data. Why? Because it is forming an algorithm which is going to learn by itself from the previous data. समझ रहे आपको? वो क्या कर रहा है कि खुद के एल्गोरिथम में चेंजेस कर रहा है, और पिछला जो भी डेटा रहेगा उससे वो क्या करेगा, फिर से मैनिपुलेशन करेगा कि अब मैंने ये जो ऑब्टेन किया हुआ रिजल्ट सही या नहीं है या नहीं. For example, if I told you, if an apple was recognized as a pear, then what will happen? It is going to first check where it has gone wrong. While in the testing phase, we are talking really right now in the testing phase. तो वो पता चलेगा कि उसको कि तो उसने गलत एप्पल जो था वो प्रेडिक्शन एप्पल करना चाहिए था, लेकिन गलती से पियर्स कर दिया है. तो वो क्या करेगा, फिर से एल्गोरिथम में चेंजेस करेगा, एंड अगेन इट इज गोइंग टू टेक ऑल द डेटा सेट दैट इट इज हैविंग एंड ऑब्टेन द रिजल्ट. Fine. For that reason, if you see, deep learning will require very good hardware, as well as it will require huge amount of data, because based on that data only it is going to obtain the result. Fine. So when you talk like this, training data set for a machine learning will be small, whereas for deep learning it will be a large training data set. Now, when you talk regarding your features, machine learning, yes, you can choose your own features, whereas in deep learning, you cannot choose. Why we cannot choose? Because the algorithm is going to modify itself. It is not that a human is going to feed an algorithm, or it is going to put the attributes. The attributes are not given by the human beings. It is given by the machine itself, because it is making changes in the algorithms. Okay. Now there are different classifiers available for machine learning, whereas for deep learning there are very few classifiers. Training time is very short in machine learning, whereas in deep learning it's huge amount of training time, because every time it is a check, if it obtains a wrong answer, the prediction is wrong, it will go further, it will make some changes, and then it will come back, right? So deep learning training time is long. So when I was talking regarding this classic or non-adaptive system, so you can see something is an input given to your system and you obtain the output. So this was your classic. And when you talk about adaptive, you can see there is a feedback given here in between. So जो भी input है वो आप आपके सिस्टम को दे रहे हैं, सिस्टम आउटपुट जनरेट कर रहा है, लेकिन आउटपुट करेक्ट आ रहा है नहीं, उस पर से वो उसको फीडबैक दे रहा है, तो फिर से वो सिस्टम में जा रहा है. अगर उसको गलत आउटपुट आता है तो अकॉर्डिंगली इट विल मेक द चेंजेस एंड अकॉर्डिंगली द प्रोसीजर विल टेक. So this is an adaptive system in which the system is going to adapt itself, mentioning that whether it is obtaining correct result or not. Okay. I think student, I will stop now, because very few students are there, and I will just discuss कि वर्कशॉप में कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं आप लोगों के. Anybody has an idea how many students are there?